Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is properties of equality of real number. First of all, properties of equality of real numbers. First is a reflexive property. For all a belongs to real number, first we take the value a from real number, any real number, but satisfy the both side a is equal to the a, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Again, second is symmetric property. Symmetric means same, but we take the any two values from real number, but the property satisfy both sides, left hand side and right hand side. For all a comma b belongs to real number, a is equal to the b, converts b is equal to a. In this first a is equal to b, taking first we b and right hand side a, but the statement is equal. Transitive property, number third, transitive property for all a comma b comma c belongs to real number and a is equal to b and b is equal to c. If a is equal to b and b is equal to c, the for the a is equal to c. Again, question of property fourth, additive property for all a comma b comma c belongs to real number, a is equal to b and for converts a is plus c is equal to b plus c. In this condition means a is equal to b. Additive means if you taking a third value and add on both sides a, left hand side and right hand side, but the answer is equal. In property number 5, multiplicative property. Multiplicative property for all a comma b comma c belongs to real number means if we take the three values from real, a is equal to b, converts a c multiply is equal to bc, means a is equal to b, we multiply in third value from real number with a and b. Again, cancellation property satisfy the symmetric property, and for all a comma b comma c belongs to real number, if we take any third value from real number, then add with a left hand side and right hand side is equal to, again let AC is equal to BC. Again, property number 6, cancellation property. Cancellation property means if we add the third value with the left hand side and right hand side, if we cancel the third value but the property is equal to the A is equal to B, means cancellation property satisfy the symmetric property. Again, number 7, cancellation property with respect to multiplication. For all a comma b comma c belongs to real number, AC is equal to BC, means if we multiply c with the left hand side and right hand side, the value a and b, we cancel the value c, but the converts a is equal to b, means cancellation property of addition, cancellation property of multiplication satisfy the symmetric property. Again, we taking an examples of every property. Let's suppose number 1, reflexive property. Reflex property for all a belongs to real number, a is equal to a. A means any value from real number. Let's suppose 2 is equal to means 2, means this statement is different because we take square root, means the answer is equal. Let's suppose 2 is equal to square root of 4 is equal to 2. Again, 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, 2 is equal to 2. Means if we take the any different value from real number but answer is equal. Then again, number second, we take a value, two values from this property satisfied with two values, and we take the different values but we have satisfied the property with the same value. Again, a is equal to b, for converse b is equal to a. Again, in this condition, first is left hand side is a and right hand side b. In the converse, if we take first is b and then taking in the right hand side a, but the answer is equal. Let's suppose 3 is equal to under root 9. Again, b is equal to under root 9 is equal to 3. For all 3 is equal to the square root of 9 is equal to 3 and square root of 9 is 3. Again, 3 is equal to 3. Left hand side and right hand side, these are the equal. Again, if we take In other examples, 3, 9 is equal to, for all 9 is equal to. Again, we take any value, then we apply the algebraic operation, then we answer is equal to the 9. Again 3 whole square, again 3 whole square. If we take the value, means 3 is multiplied 2 times, 3 into 3 is equal to 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to. Again 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3 9, convert 9 is equal to 9. Means if we take the value from any real number and then the statement we change the left hand side and right hand side, but answer is equal. Again property number third, transitive property. Transitive property means satisfy three value A, B, C. If the value A is equal to the B and B is equal to C, means A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Means A is equal to the C or no. Again we prove the property, let A is equal to B and B is equal to C for all A is equal to C. Again let's suppose under root 2 is equal to under root 4 and B is equal to under root 4 and C is equal to square cube root of 8. Again A is equal to 2 and C is equal to cube root of 8. Means A is equal to 2, B is equal to under root 4, C is equal to cube root of 8. Means we have satisfied the property with three values, but answer is same. 2 is equal, square root of 4 is equal to 2 and 4 square root of 4 is equal to 2 and cube root of 8 is equal to already 2 and 2 is equal to cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Means A is equal to, B is equal to 2 and B is equal to the C means already 2. So then 2 is equal to 2 means A is equal to the C. Hence the property is satisfied with the three values, means A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Then the A is equal already equal to the C. And fourth property of additive property. Again fourth property, additive property. Additive property means if we take the two value any from real number, then we add the third value with both sides A and B, but the answer is same. Let's suppose A is equal to B for all A plus B is equal to B plus C. Again A is equal to B, then we add the values from both sides A and B. Again let A is equal to 2 and B is equal to under root 4 and C is equal to 3. Again taking A is equal to is equal to under root 4, convert A is equal to 2 plus C is equal to 3 is equal to C is equal to B is equal to under root 4 and C is equal to 3. Again taking 2 is equal to the square root of the 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Again square root of 4 is already 2 plus 3. Again 2 is equal to 2. Then convert 5 is equal to the 5. The statement is true and satisfied with the addition of property with the value third value C. Again fifth property is multiplicative property. Means if we take any two values from real number, then we multiply the third value with the left hand side and right hand side, and we satisfy the property with multiplication. Again A is equal to B is equal to AC is converts BC. Means we multiply C with A and multiply C with B. Again if we take any value A is equal 3 and b is equal to cube root of 27. Again a is equal to 3 and b is equal to cube root of 27, a is equal to and c is equal to 4. Again we take multiply, a is equal to 3 multiply cube root of 27 is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4 is equal to b is equal to cube root of 27 is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Again 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. Again 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. Again the property is satisfied with respect to the multiplication. And again property number 6 is the cancellation property of addition. Again we take the two values from any real number, then addition of the third value, and then we cancel the property, but the property satisfied with the first value with same property. Again a plus c is equal to b plus c is equal to a is equal to b. Means if we add the value with a and then we add the value with b, but we cancel the value, then the property is equal to a is equal to the b. Again a is equal to 2 plus under root c is equal to 4 is equal to b is equal to under root 4 plus c is equal to 4. Again if we cancel the 4 from both sides, then 2 is equal to under root 4. Means under root 4 is equal to the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Means say 2 is equal to 2. If we change the statement b is equal to under 2, then we satisfy the property a is equal to b, means say 2 is equal to the 2. Again property number 7, cancellation property with respect to multiplication. Again property number 7, cancellation property of multiplication. If we take the three values a, b and c, we multiply third value with a and b, then we cancel the property a is equal to b. If ac is equal to bc, for all a is equal to b, then c is multiplied with a and c is multiplied with b. Then we cancel the property. The statement is equal to a comma b belongs to real number. Means if we take the any value which belong to real number, let's suppose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to square root of 25 and c is equal to 7. Again a is equal to 5 multiply c is equal to 7. Again b is equal to square root of 25. Again multiply c is equal to 7. Again if we multiply both sides 7, then we cancel the property. The property is equal to a is equal to the b. Again then we cancel. Let's suppose if we first multiply, let's suppose 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35 and square root of 25 is equal to 5 multiply 7. 35 is equal to 35, but statement is already equal with respect to the cancellation property of multiplication, and then we cancel the values from this statement. 5 is equal to under root 25. 5 is equal to under root 25 is equal to the 5. The property is satisfied with the cancellation property of multiplication. Inshallah, the next topic of properties of inequality of real.